Have you ever heard of a radio station that's been beeping nonstop for over 50 years? It's called UVB 76, and no one really knows who's operating it or why. Most of the time, it just broadcasts a low buzzing sound. But every now and then, a Russian voice interrupts with random numbers or names.
Николай, Женя, Татьяна, Иван.
Some people believe it's a military command line or a secret spy signal. Others think it's just a decoy. But here's the strange part. Even after the Soviet Union collapsed, the signal never stopped. What is it really hiding?